Introducing FusionSync, a cloud-based solution for reliable data synchronization between Salesforce and QuickBooks Online. Salesforce is a customer relationship management (CRM) platform, and QuickBooks Online is widely used for accounting. But managing data across both platforms can often be time-consuming. FusionSync allows you to transfer data between Salesforce and QuickBooks Online using either single-click sync or fully automated sync. In single-click sync, you can press the Save to QuickBooks Online button to transfer data from Salesforce. For seamless operation, you can use FusionSync's fully automated sync to manage data in real time. Fully automated sync uses workflow rules and a queue-based system to sync data from Salesforce to QuickBooks Online. Both sync methods also support a scheduler to transfer data from QuickBooks Online to Salesforce. FusionSync allows transferring customers, estimates, and invoices from Salesforce to QuickBooks Online, and items or payments from QuickBooks Online to Salesforce. If you use Salesforce Configure, Price, Quote, CPQ, and billing packages, then FusionSync can also sync invoices, credit memos, debit memos, allocations, and payments for consistent financial records. Getting started is easy. Simply sign in with Intuit to connect FusionSync with QuickBooks. Provide your Salesforce account details on our cloud-based software, or FusionSync, then configure it by onboarding, mapping, and scheduling in our flow-based user interface. FusionSync includes pre-configured field mapping, allowing you to start with minimal setup. FusionSync enables efficient data synchronization between Salesforce and QuickBooks Online, helping reduce manual data entry. Visit the fusionsync.dancingnumbers.com or dancingnumbers.com/FusionSync to get complete detail regarding our product.